Hey everyone, in this video I'll talk about the color index tool in StraboTools. On the sidebar here, we'll tap color index and there's our color index tool. Now the color index tool calculates the percentage of dark minerals in a rock. Sometimes measurements by eye are not very accurate, especially if there's a very small amount of dark minerals in a rock. So this tool does that for you on the spot. This is often used in plutonic rocks and can help reveal zoning patterns that you normally wouldn't find until you're back in the lab or looking at a thin section. So let me show you how it works. Ideally, you want an evenly lit surface in your photo. And then on the left here, we see these three controls. The on-off switch just toggles the overlay on and off. The red-blue switch just switches the overlay from red to blue. Then the adaptive switch helps compensate for shadows and uneven lighting if your photo needs it. And it does make the tool run a bit slower. So moving the slider here is slower with the adaptive tool on versus the adaptive tool off, but you can see the difference that it makes. And now, so using the slider at the bottom, you can set the threshold for how dark a mineral needs to be for it to be indexed as dark. Toggling the overlay on and off could also help with this. So say we want to get a count of these darker minerals that we see here. We have this white mineral, we have this really dark mineral, then that gray matrix. So let's turn that on, and then here I'll adjust the slider until I have something I'm happy with. I can play with that, and then we can turn the overlay on and off to check our work a bit more. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, something around there looks right. And then on the top right corner there, I can see the percentage of dark minerals at 9%. Of course, you can take a picture by tapping that button on the right, screenshot saved, or you can press that copy button on the right as well, and it'll copy that value to your clipboard. And that's the color index tool.